In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GCash in Foodpanda. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to tap, and what to expect when you're redirected to GCash so your payment goes through smoothly. First, open the Foodpanda app on your phone. Give it a second to load your home screen. From here, you'll head straight to your account area. Look for the Account tab. This is usually found on the bottom menu. Tap it to open your profile and settings. This is where Foodpanda lets you manage essentials like addresses, preferences, and of course, payment methods. Inside your account, you'll see an option to manage or add a payment method. This is where you can add GCash ahead of time, so checkout is faster later. When you choose to add GCash, Foodpanda won't ask you to set everything up right away inside the app. Instead, the actual connection happens when you place an order and select GCash at checkout. That's normal, and it keeps things quick and secure. If you'd rather handle payment while you're ordering, that works too. Start your order like you normally would, pick your restaurant, add items to your cart, and review your order details. When you reach the payment section at checkout, select GCash as your payment method. The moment you confirm that choice, Foodpanda will automatically redirect you to GCash. On the GCash screen, just follow the prompts you see. The exact steps can vary slightly, but generally, you'll be asked to confirm the payment details and authorize the transaction. Keep an eye on the total amount so it matches what you saw in Foodpanda. Once you approve, GCash will process the payment and then send you back to Foodpanda. When you return to Foodpanda, you should see a confirmation that your order has been placed and paid with GCash. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give it a moment to refresh. A stable internet connection helps everything move smoothly, especially during the redirect between apps. If anything looks off or the page doesn't load, simply go back to the payment step and try selecting GCash again. That's all there is to it. Open Foodpanda, go to your account to manage payment methods if you want to set things up early or add GCash during checkout. Then select GCash, follow the on-screen prompts when you're redirected, and you're done. With these steps, you'll be able to pay quickly and confidently the next time you order on Foodpanda using GCash.